Hello to everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Set Shift Learn. In today's session 1 on NEET 2024 paper, chapter wise will be discussed. In today's session, question based on electrostatic, current, electricity and heat interaction will be discussed. Now, along with the questions, additional information will also be provided, which will be very helpful for these students for twisting of questions. Right now, let's start with the questions. Question is given below are two statements. One is labeled assertion, and other is labeled as reason. Assertion is the potential V at any point at 2 meter distance r from the center of the dipole moment vector P of magnitude 4 into 10 to the minus 6 coulomb meter is plus minus 9 into 10 to the 3 volt, right? And region is V equal to plus minus 2p upon 1 over 4 pi epsilon r square, where r is the distance of any point situated at 2 meter from the center of the dipole. You have to pick up one of the correct answer, right? Now, let's start. In this case, concept applicable are minus q plus q 2l center O distance r p. This is the actual point. We on simplification we get 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r square plus minus. This is the V axle. Our equatorial is at this point. V equatorial, that is 0. I am discussing this question also certain other concepts which will be very helpful for the entrance exam NEET, right? Now, V axle will be equal to, according to the equation, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into P. P is given to you 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. Distance R, 2 pi square. This goes, on simplification we get plus minus 9 into 10 to the power 3 volt. This is given to you. This is the correct one. This is given, this is correct one. And region is V equal to plus minus 2p. So region region is given 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r square. So this is wrong. This is not 2p, this is p, right? So this is not. So our correct answer will be A. A is true, R is false. I will also discuss E axle. E axle is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube, and E equatorial minus 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r cube, means E axial magnitude wise is equal to twice E equatorial. In this case, electric field and dipole moment electric are in the same direction. In this case, they are the opposite direction. Therefore, we have put the negative sign here, right? Next question. A thin spherical shell is charged by some source. The potential difference between the 2 points C and P shown in the figure is, you have to select one of the correct answer, right? In this case, in the spherical shell, potential inside the shell is same and constant and is equal to that at the surface. That is V at the surface being 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. Right? Now, in this case, VC is inside and VP is on surface. Means VC equal to VP. Therefore, potential difference will be equal to 0. Answer. Potential difference पूछा ना हमसे. ये देखिए, potential difference between the 2 points C and P will be 0. So this is the correct answer, right? This is the correct answer. Constant means inside the total V will be constant, right? And it varies outside or on the surface according to this formula, right? Now, next question. Question is, the terminal voltage of the battery whose EMF is 10 volt. Internal resistance is 1 ohm. When connected through an external resistance of 4 ohm. As shown in the figure is, 4 options are given to you, one of the option is correct. Now, let's start. First of all, whenever we have to find the potential difference across the cell, potential difference across the battery, be very, very careful. V equal to E plus minus IR. Plus sign is considered for charging. Charging means when current is being, this is the sign. This is the case of charging, right? And negative sign is for discharging. Means current is being drawn from there. So V equal to E plus minus R. In this case, we have to find the potential difference across the battery. So it is the case of discharging. So V will be equal to E minus IR, right? To find I, according to Ohm's law, I equal to applied EMF 10 divided by equivalent resistance 4 plus 1, that is 2 ampere. Current is known, internal resistance is known. Therefore, V equal to 10 minus 2 into 1. 10 minus 2, that is 8 volt. Right? This is the answer. So correct option will be, first is the correct option. And also, additional information, R, internal resistance was CD over 80. Concentration of the electrode, distance between the electrode, area of the electrode, temperature. This is the dependency of internal resistance. That is very important information for JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET purposes. Right? Next question. Question is, a wire of length L and resistance 100 ohm is divided into 10 equal parts. The first 5 parts are connected in series, while the next 5 parts are connected in parallel. The two combinations are again connected in series. The resistance of this combination is, R equal to rho L upon A. Now, in this case, for a given for a given wire given is the area constant and rho constant, R proportional to L. Therefore, 10 parts means each will have resistance of 100 divided by 10 ohm, right? next. Now they are connected, 5 are connected in series. This is the one combination along with this. These are connected in parallel, again connected in parallel. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So we have to find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So this will be 50 plus. Thus, so this will be equal to 1 by Rp will be equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. So this comes to 5 by 10. Rp will come to 2 ohm. So 50 plus 2, 52 ohm. This is the answer, right? Fourth answer. But I will explain now additional information related to this question. This was now you know R equal to rho L opposite. If wire is stretched, here wire is stretched, length will increase and area will decrease. Now in this case, as the wire is constant, same, so mass will be same, m1 into m2, that is before stretching also. Mass equal to volume into density. V1 D1 equal to V2 D2. Same material is using. So this means A1 L1 equal to A2 L2. That is L1 over L2 equal to L1 to A2 over A1. Using this concept, R1 over R2 will be equal to rho cancel हो गया, L1 over L2 A2 over A1. If this is to be done, R proportional to L square equals to 1 over A square equals to 1 over R4. Very, very important information. Very, very important information. Right? Next question. Question is, in the following circuit, the equivalent capacitance between the terminals A and B. Right? By observation, it appears to be Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge में क्या होता है? this जो ठीक है PQRS in case of balanced Wheatstone bridge. In case of balanced Wheatstone bridge, P by Q equal to R by S, then G is not considered as this is A, B, C, D, as VB equal to VD. No current will flow through this. Now in this case, this is balanced, this is P, this is Q. P by Q, 2 by 2, 1. R by S, 2 by 2, that is 1. So this branch will not be considered. This branch will not be considered. So in this case, this combination will be series, this combination will be series, 2 series 2, parallel 2 series 2. Means in case of capacitance, series में क्या होगा, प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम 4 डिवाइड बाई 4 1, पैरेलल में ऐड हो जाएगा 1, दैट इज 2 माइक्रोफैराड. तो ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is, if the plates of parallel plate capacitor connected to battery are moved close to each other, then charge storage increases, energy storage decreases, capacitance increases, ratio of charge to its potential remains the same, and product of charge and voltage increases. The most appropriate answer from the given. We have to choose one of the correct answer, right? Now, this is connected with a battery. V will be their potential. Now, you know C equal to epsilon naught A by T. As D decreases, C will increase. So C will increase means C is the correct answer. One of the options is correct. This is increasing. Next, A को store charge it increases. No. Store charge it increases. Let's see. You know, C equal to Q by V. Q equal to C into V. C into V means as battery remains connected, therefore V will be constant. Therefore, as C increases, therefore Q increases. Q increases means the charge stored increases. This is also correct answer. Energy stored in it decreases. Energy stored में क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? Half CV square. As it increases, the energy stored will be decreased. So this is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer, right? Caption the ratio of charge to potential. C equal to Q by V. Ratio of charge to potential. Ratio of charge to potential remains the same. No. This not remains the same as C increases. So this is wrong. Right? Then the product of charge and voltage. Product of charge and voltage. Product of charge and voltage. Q into V. Q into V increases as it remains constant and it increases. So product also increases. This is the correct answer. So out of 5, these 2 are wrong and these 3 are correct. Now let's see the option. A, C and E. Fourth option is the correct option. Right? Now, next question. Choose the correct circuit which can achieve the balance bridge. Balance bridge P by Q equal to R by S. Now this is the battery. Current will flow from this to this. Current will go here, go here, go here. It will divide into this, and then this will go here. This will go here. Right? Now current will go from here to here to here. Right? Now in this case, case 1, diode is forward bias. Means that is allow the current to pass. Allow the current to pass. In that case, this will behave like simple wire. That is short circuit. Means complete this can be replaced by simple wire. So it will not can achieve the balance bridge. Second, the current will flow like this. Flow like this. In this case, current will flow this. This will be reverse bias. Reverse bias means it will be like open circuit. So this will not be right. In this case, current will flow from this to this, this to this, then here, here, this is forward bias. So this is forward bias means this can be like this. Means this is forward bias, so simple 5 ohm plus resistance, this will be considered, so can be achieved to balance. In this case, third option is correct option. Let's see fourth. It goes like this, low like this, go like this, go like this, and go like this. So this is reverse bias. Reverse bias. Reverse bias is it will behave like this, open circuit, right? So this branch will not be there. It means only third option is correct. You know what is forward biasing? What is reverse biasing? Forward biasing, positive, negative, and current also. So this can be considered as simple wire, ideally. If it is reverse bias, this is negative, positive, this can be considered as open circuit, right? Considering these concepts, we conclude our answer. If we have to balance it, so what is the resistance of D? Let's calculate it. 10 by 10. 10 by 10 equal to 15 over 5 plus D. 10 by 10. 1. This comes out to be 15 equal to 5 plus D. D comes out to 10 ohm, right? P by Q equal to R by S. 10 by 10 equal to 15 over 5 by 10. This is the correct answer. So third option is correct option. Next question. Two heaters A and B have power rating of 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt respectively. These two are first connected in series, then parallel to a fixed power source. The ratio power output for these two cases is, we have to find the correct answer, right? Now, there are two heaters, heater 1, heater 2, connected to a power source, and heater 1, heater 2, connected to same. This is E, so this will be E, right? Same. Now, we know the in series power consumed is 1 over PS equal to 1 over P1 plus 1 over P2 plus 1 over P. Its derivation will be in the another session. And 1 over PP equal to P1 plus P2 plus, right? Now, 1 and 2, PS, 1 plus 1 by 2, this comes out to be 3 by 2, that is PS comes out to be 2 by 3. PS comes out to be, in PP, 1 plus 2, that is 3 kilowatt. We have to find series PS over PP, that is 2 by 3 upon 3, that is 2 is to 9. 2 is to 9, fourth option is correct. Now, in domestic connections are in parallel. In domestic connections are in parallel, right? In series combination, least wattage equipment will glow maximum, and in parallel, maximum wattage will glow maximum, right? Now, I would like to request, if you're new to my YouTube channel, City Shift Love, and like this video, please subscribe and share the channel, press bell icon to receive updates on concept clearing videos. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी, बहुत बहुत